Hey guys, today I want to explain to you one of the databases that is available to our students through the Mesquite ISD portal. Remember that the databases are accessible under the Library Services tab, and the database that we're going to talk about today is the Britannica Learning Zone. This database is available to students in pre-K and kindergarten. So you're on the Library Services tab. We're going to go ahead and click on Britannica Learning Zone. Under the Learning Zone, there are 4 basic areas that the kids can explore. Because it is targeted towards the little ones, it's basically like a click and explore and engaging database. So under the Reading tab, basically what it's going to do is it's going to read books to them. The kids can pick the different book they want to read, and if they click on it, it will open it up, and they will just click start, and they can start scrolling through the pages. It reads the different pages to them, and it does highlight the words in red as it reads them.
Animals are hiding and hunting.
There's a pause button at the bottom, so if they need to pause, they can. And you'll notice that there's questions on the pages to, kind of engage the kids about what's going on each page, so the kids might like it. I did notice that some of the books are pretty long, so, it's not a quick book that the kids are going to go through. It's going to take them a while to get through it. So at the end of the book, there are also some other questions and like a fun game at the end, over what they read. So the other tab is the Explore tab. And the Explore tab basically goes over different parts of the world. So this one, of course, has the different ecosystems. They can click on them, and you'll notice that when I clicked on it, it showed all the different areas of the world that have rainforest. And then there's also a video down here they can play if they want to learn more information about the rainforest. And that's basically all to that tab. There's a play tab that has some games. There's a math tab, and there's a language arts tab. And, it's basic skills for the kids to go over. So if they open it up, it's going to ask them the questions, and then the kids are going to click and drag the answers into the appropriate square.
How many items do you see? You got it.
So then that's the play tab. And then basically under the creating tab, it's just, a drawing tab where they can draw and create different things by clicking on the different tools. So it's a very, very basic database where there is, fun and engaging activities. There's some reading. There's some videos where they can learn about the world. But that is Britannica Learning Zone for the little ones. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks. Bye.